What up, everybody? Good morning. Good morning. It is morning here right now. Like you saw, I just had my coffee. I had to get my coffee in real quick. It's a little bit about 6:30, 6:40, something like that. I don't know what it is, but it's early, and we figured we get the day started because we got a lot planned today. Not to mention get the first start, get that first start on the Firebird. We're complete. We're done. All we got to do is put fluids in it, top it off, and everything. We were waiting on spark plug wires, but they didn't get here. They haven't got here. I don't know what's going on with these parts, man. Every time we order something, it gets pushed back, pushed back, pushed back. Why? I guess with everybody being home, ordering parts. I guess everybody's backed up. Shipping companies are backed up, whatever. But we threw the old spark plug wires back on there real quick just to get the motor started, get it going. Because the other ones are just red. It's really for cosmetic looks anyway, so we should be fine. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to put all the fluids in here really quick, including antifreeze. What else we got? Trans fluid, power steering, gas. Look, guys, shit, we gotta get the damn gas out of this tank real quick. At least enough to get this car started, right, and get over to the gas station. But so I'm gonna try to siphon some of this gas into my gas tank or gas container, just so we can get gas in the car, right? So let me try to do that real quick, and then hopefully we get you guys a nice cold start, first start. That's it. All right, y'all. We got all the fluids are in. I think we're ready for a first start. What y'all think? We got the keys. We gonna go see if we can get this first start real quick. Now I am gonna have to come back and get everything topped off and all that goodies, and then also calibrate all the gauges, go on a little test drive and all that. But I at least want you guys to get dibs on this first start with me. Let's see what we got. There we go. Hopefully we got some juice in the battery. Let's see. We're going to have to prime it real quick. We'll let the fuel pump kick on a few times because there wasn't no fuel in it. Yep, I can hear it. We'll do that about 3 times. All right, let's go one more, huh? Little. Come on, baby. There you go. Come on, get that gas up there. Oh, yeah. There we go. Guys, what is up? So you saw that we got the car started, we got it running, it's up and running now. It is the next day. I had to leave that day yesterday. As a matter of fact, it was yesterday when we got that first start, because I had to run. I had a little family emergency I had to take care of, but we're good. Everything is copacetic. But guess what? Firebird is ready to go. I got it dialed in for the most part. He does got to go hit the exhaust shop and get that done. He's got like, I don't know, 2-inch piping on this thing. I think he wants to go like 2.5 inch or 3 inch all the way back. So he's still got to do that. So he's still got that going on, but he's also got to get some new springs for the hinges too. So that's why we kind of have this thing going on like this. But look, you see that? Yeah, buddy. We hooked him up with the little Goose Performance sticker. He actually got my last one. That was the first batch that we had made. So, but engine's looking real good. It sounds really good. I got the gauges pretty much dialed in too. He's got to get it, like I said, finish up the exhaust and go from there. But he's ready to go, guys. So hopefully maybe in this same video, I can get him to come pick this thing up and we can just see the expression and the look on his face when he hears this thing crank over. We'll see. See if he show up. I don't know. If not, I don't know what we're going to do. Still got the drop clock to figure out. Actually, we got this thing to do still. This is coming up. Now, let me show you guys something, a little sneak peek that came in. And I don't know if I'm going to be doing a video on it yet. Maybe. I don't know, depending on the time. But can you guys see it down there? Yeah, buddy. Exhaust. Exhaust is here. The stuff for the exhaust is here. I might just go ahead and try to do it myself. If not, take it down to the exhaust shop. But I am debating to do it myself, so we'll see how time goes. But let's see if we get this guy to come over and get his car. So stay tuned. Yeah, it is the next day. I talked to the owner of the car. He ain't gonna be able to make it for the next day or so because schedules don't work out. You know, I go to work at nights and stuff like that. He works during the day. Long story short, we ain't gonna be able to get it unless we wait. But I want to show you guys the video, so I'm gonna go ahead and put out the video before that. Hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the bell for notifications. And yeah, look, we got a couple other things we got to actually redo. Guess what? The dash, interior pieces down there, they don't match. They don't match. I'm pretty bummed. I'm pretty disappointed. I don't know what it happened is that when I matched the color of the car, it was in the garage, in the shade, and then once I put this stuff on next to the interior, like the shades were just completely different. I've been through like 20 different reds trying to get freaking this thing to match. Note to self, don't ever do red again. Now, I did go to the paint shop and we actually had to get custom red made. This is going to be the closest that I can get to match that interior, and it might still not be exact. But they said that with vinyl and material and upholstery, it's just really hard to match paint if it's not black, of course. So that's what we're going to do. We have to spray all that stuff that we already did. You guys saw it in the previous video, but now we got to spray all that stuff. Took everything out, and you're right, there is something missing, huh? Car is missing. Where is it at? I don't know. Wait and see. But hit the subscribe button, hit the like button. I'm out. Keep wrenching.